Today we are pouring a new concrete patio that will house the new outdoor living space that we will be building on top of this patio in a few weeks. The patio dimension is a 12 by 26. It has 4,000 psi, which we use for tensile strength, not the industry standard 3,000 or 3,500, but for outdoor living spaces we use 4,000 psi. We have rebar tied-on centers, and we have also installed a tight-line drainage system with solid PVC and a clean out, so that if there is ever any clogging, we do not believe in using the black flex pipe, but we use the solid wall pipe so that the plumber's auger does not get bound on the internal ridges of the black flex pipe. The concrete itself is 4 inches thick. They are floating it right now to remove air bubbles and imperfections. We're bringing it in on a power buggy. We are pouring at a thickness of 4 inches. The customer had requested serpentined edge and curved corners. So as you can see, that is how that we formed it up. Underneath the rebar is 4 inches worth of compacted crusher run. I might make a note at this point, we do not believe in pouring concrete directly onto grass. Instead, we excavate out for 4 inches worth of soil, then put in the 4 inches of compacted crusher run and pour the 4 inches worth of concrete on top. This prevents a lot of excess cracking in concrete because of the clay soil that we deal with expansion and contraction. The additional 4 inches of crusher run prevents a lot of concrete cracking by removing the clay aspect. We are using a screed to help with the level before we float it, removing some air pockets. I might make a note about the flow. If you will notice, we tied in the concrete rebar of the new patio with the old for a separation joint, which we will cut in place. We took measurements from one edge next to the house to the outer edge, and we will be flowing the concrete at 1 inch per 10 foot of fall, which is the recommended standard for water to properly drain off of a flat surface. Less than 1 inch per 10 foot, you will have excess puddling and the water will not flow quickly or properly off of a flat patio. That's it for now on part 1. We will come back for part 2 to show the finishing.